Hi guys! I have returned from Down Under a couple of weeks ago. This shirt is from Melbourne, the Queen Victoria Market. I wanted something that was like a souvenir, but not too touristy and obvious, like Sydney, Melbourne, you know, I didn't want that. Got a koala, just right here, in a little pocket. It's cute. It's from Australia, but it's not like in your face, it's from Australia. Anyways, I have a few Empties videos to show here for you guys. That's not very good English, I gotta get back on my game. I'm thinking of doing an Ariana Grande cover or something off of her new album, but everyone's doing that and you're probably like, no more Ariana Grande. Maybe, we'll see. First, for today, we're gonna start just with some Empties videos, because I've got some Empties here. First, I've probably definitely shown this before and I haven't. Don't know why I haven't. Because it's a basic staple for me. This is Dove's Advanced Care Invisible No White Marks on 100 Colors Sheer Fresh. I get this one, the Sheer Fresh is purple and the Clear Fresh is pink. Right now I'm using the pink one. They're really not that different. They're not the best thing in the world. They still get white marks on tank tops, like when I was in the Outback and I put on a tank top, I was like, great, I got white marks even though, oh wait, I wasn't using this one. That's why. Oh, then I don't know, I've used it a long time, but I know that I have had some white marks with this deodorant sometimes, but it's significantly better and comes out easier than like the cool cucumber one of Dove, you know what I mean? So it's pretty good. It's worth extra money for me because I'm stupid and I get everything stained like all of the time. Two other Empties, which I thought I was holding another one and I guess I threw it in here. You guys know, Carmex, I'm addicted to it. I live for it. Yeah, this one was in my travel thing and I finished it in Australia, and this one was on my nightstand and I just finished it coming back from Australia, so I got those. Next I have two empty hand soaps that I don't understand how, this was full before I left for Australia and I finished it in 2 weeks. Either that or someone else in the house was using it. I think someone else in the house was using it, but yeah, it's okay. It's okay, you know, all's good. No worries, as the Australians would say. But yeah, I used Frosted Coconut Snowball, which is literally the body care scent. It tastes, yeah, we eat soap, Stephanie, yeah, we eat soap. It smells like a toasted coconut. It's not particularly a winter scent, but it's sweet, it's coconutty, and pretty vanilla-y, and it's just a basic color smelling scented hand soap. Then we have Winter Candy Apple, which everyone knows what this smells like, and I like this as a hand soap. I can't talk! Soap! Because it was an exfoliating one. I tend to like the exfoliating ones better because they make me feel like I'm actually cleaning my hands, unlike the luxury, soft, smooth ones. Yeah, I would buy this one again, but it's no longer the holidays. Spring has come in the air. I feel it, everybody. Another Bath & Body Works. On that topic, this is so warped because it's so old, but I'm done with it. There's still some product in there, but I can't get it out, so I'm done with it. This was the Wild Madagascar Vanilla Bean Extract Body Scrub. I really liked this thing. This used to be my only favorite Bath & Body Works scrub. The other ones, you know, the sugar ones, just don't do for me. I don't like the way they feel. But I just bought a new one. It's the Comfort Vanilla Patrick Chucha something that I cannot pronounce. And it feels like this one, but it smells a little bit better than this one. So I'm not going to go out of my way to find this on eBay or Amazon, but it was good. It did its job for a long time, as you can tell. It's very warped and I'm throwing it away now. More staples in here that you guys have seen so many times. Clinique Dramatically Differentizing, can't speak. Gel, moisturizing gel, finished another one of those. I think I've talked about this. This is the L'Oreal Paris Evolve Total Repair 5 Damage Erasing Balm. Like I think I mentioned in one of my previous, more recent Empties videos, this has been my new holy grail hair product. This is what's in my hair right now. I did just take a shower a couple of hours ago, so it's not showing how, you know, not frizzy keeps it. It won't stay this, like, intact, but it's doing a very good job and I like it and I keep rebuying it. I took it with me to Australia. It did some good things considering how humid it is there. Another thing I've mentioned 20 times are the Flamingo Multivitamin Adult Gummies. Vitamins. They taste like candy. They taste good. Nothing about it tastes like a vitamin. Took them with me to Australia and New Zealand. Helped me keep up with all of my levels considering I was abroad and, you know, not eating my normal diet. Still recommend. Yes, $14 to $16 off of Amazon, but so worth it. My camera's not blinking at me, is it? No, it's not. Or at least it better not. I need to finish this video. Conditioners. I've talked about this one. The Rose Hips Herbal Essences Conditioner. I've still been using it, but as of lately I've been trying to just buy these giant ass Pantene bottles because they're bigger. I have curly hair. I do not use a dime size amount of conditioner. I use a gallop, like a gollop, like literally like the size of my hand. I wish I was kidding. Not even kidding. This one's not doing it for me, the Daily Moisture Renewal, but there's a new one that has a blue thing. It's a blue label on the cover here that I'm using that I do like. And when I finish it, I'll talk to you guys about it. Or maybe this is the one that I finished. I don't even know. We'll find out in a couple of months, won't we? Overall, still like this one better over Pantene. Obviously, it's more expensive. It's going to work better. On the topic of hair care, one other thing that I finished but I really didn't use because it really didn't work for me. Every time I go to get my hair cut, the lady's always like, oh, you need the Moroccan oil stuff for your curly hair, to help your curly hair. But I have even though people don't think so, I have very thin hair. It's not thick. Just because your hair is curly does not mean that it's thick, okay? It's very thin. When I straighten it, you see it's like a lion's mane. It's like model hair, as my mom calls it. It's very thin, and because of that, this stuff did absolutely nothing for me. It's weightless healing dry oil, and it like softens your hair, but like at a surface level. You don't feel it like the L'Oreal one, that it's really like, you know how my hair like right now is like kind of, it's constructed by the product, like the curl, like I can feel the product like holding the curl. This doesn't do that. This just kind of like glosses over dry hair, and it'll make it feel like oily, probably because it's oil. So I would not buy this again. This didn't do it for me. I'm just gonna stick to my L'Oreal thingamajig. Last empty I have here is another holy grail item for me. I don't know when I finished this. I think I finished this right before I went to Australia and New Zealand, and I took one with me, and I just bought another one. This is the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Liquid Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 70, and the stuff is amazing. You can't wear it by itself. You'll look like a ghost, but I have very fair skin, and there's a saying, I started wearing sunscreen daily when I was 16 or 17 years old, and you're actually supposed to wear sunscreen every single day. A lot of people don't do that, but you're supposed to. That's how you're not going to get wrinkles. That's how you're going to prevent scarring from acne scars. I'm very fair. Even if I get like a tiny little pimple, it will leave a scar. And the reason why I don't have them like super prominent on my face is because I'm wearing sunscreen all of the time. And it's preventing them from leaving a deeper mark in the skin. So I usually in the morning will mix this with either another Neutrogena sunscreen that I use sometimes, or with my Clinique gel, and I mix the two, and then instead of just being totally white, since this is sheer, it makes a normal looking lotion color, and you blend it in and nobody ever knows. And plus a zinc oxide base, which zinc oxide is very well known for being good with like acne prone skin, sensitive skin, dry, oily. Zinc is just kind of a magical skincare thing. So I probably will be buying it till the day I die is what I was kind of going to say. I hope YouTube doesn't censor that. It shouldn't. It's a positive thing. Neutrogena should be happy. I've got its loyalty there. But yeah, guys, those are all of the empties. I hope you enjoyed this really quick little catch-up video. February is the most boring month of the year for me. Always work is slow. School hasn't picked up yet. So I'll be here probably making some more videos for you guys. Would like to do some covers, and I might be getting back into working on some of my own music. Not anytime soon, but it's a project I'd like to start somewhat working on again. But if you haven't listened to my EP that came out almost a year ago, which is kind of freaking insane, my EP Start Again is on Spotify, and I'll leave the link below so you can listen to it if you would like. I hope you guys have a great week coming up, and like and subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in another video sometime soon. Bye.